Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to mark all emails as read in Gmail on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark all the emails as read in Gmail on your phone, first open up a Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, you'll land on this interface where you can see the three-lined icons at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you'll land over here on this tab of your Gmail. Now you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the all mail button over here. You can see the all mail just above the spam. Tap on all mail, and all of the mails on your Gmail account will be over here. Now in order to mark all as read on this tab of Gmail, you can see at the top of the screen there is the all mail and there is the from, and if you slide these options to the left, you can see there is the is unread option available for us. Tap on the is unread option over here, and all of the mails which you have not read yet on your Google account will be, or your Gmail account will be over here. Now in order to mark them all as read at once, tap and hold on one of the email, and this kind of option will appear where you can see the select all option available for us over here. But you can see at the top left corner, by tapping on select all, we will only be able to select 50 messages. And if you scroll down or below the 50 messages, you can see there is the option select all again at the top left corner. If you select it, again 100 messages will be selected. That means, guys, you'll only be able to mark 50 messages or choose 50 messages to make them mark as read on your phone. And with that being said, guys, after selecting the amount of messages which you want to mark as read on your email, after selecting, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us over here, and just beside that there is the mail open button available for us where it says the mark as read. You can see the message open button available for us just beside the dumpster icon or the three dotted icon. Tap on that button, and with that being done, guys, you can see 100 messages as marked as read. And again, if you select all and do the same process, and you can see all of your messages by this process will be marked as read on your Gmail. And there, guys, this is how to mark all of the mails as read on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.